come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. I'm gonna make this one fast. Some people been asking me about some longer term plays, because I've been in like some minors and stuff like that. Shout out to Baked Beans. They had a successful pre-sale yesterday. Shout out to everybody that was a part of it. They hit that 500 there we go. The 500 BNB hard cap, is that what they call it? Yo, after it was open for the public, like the whitelist pre-sale brought up like 300 something BNB, and then like 7 minutes into the public, gone. Everything was gone. You know what I mean? So the official launch for it will be today. The Bean chart token will be today, 10 hours from now. So right now it's about 8 o'clock Eastern. So a few hours from now, about I don't know. Again, I don't know. Wait, why isn't this moving? Wow, it wasn't even moving. So 9 hours from now. So around 4 or 5 o'clock, something like that. I didn't sleep last night, so I don't know if you guys could see it in my eyes. Restless. I've been up all night looking up these gems, looking for these gems, looking for these new plays out there. But like I said, this video I'm gonna go over some long-term investments, some longer-term things. One of the good new ones that's out there is splassive. They utilize their splash token. Is a clone of drip, but it pays out 2% a day. That's a lot higher than a lot of these other, what do they call these platforms? I guess you'll call it like a high yield certificate. So it's a clone of drip. So pretty much everything is like drip. To get started, you do need a buddy address, or you do need to utilize someone's wallet address. You guys can use mine. It'll be in the description down below. You could do airdrops from this, so it's nice. Let me look into the tap, which is their version of the faucet. Wait, I'm not connected. Let me connect my wallet first. Wait, why isn't my wallet connected? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Right now, I'm gonna make a big deposit, or a bigger deposit, to my splash, probably like later on today or tomorrow. I'm not sure why it's not loading up right now. I want to show you guys how everything works. The max payout will always increase when you compound. One thing about this splassive, it is on Avalanche smart chain. I said smart, see, no sleep. It is on the Avalanche blockchain, so they utilize avax. So make sure you guys keep avax in your wallet for gas fees, and the fees are a little bit higher than Binance smart chain. Compound is probably gonna be like between $1 and $3 to compound normally. Okay, you know, on Binance, to do little transactions, it'd be like 20 cents and stuff like that. So keep that in mind, people. But it does pay out a little bit more, 2% a day, as I said. So if you put in $1,000, you'll be making $20 a day, if that makes sense. And you could compound that up to you're making, if you compound for like a month or 2 months straight, that would turn to a lot more daily. You'd probably be up at like $40, $50 a day. I did the math earlier, but yeah, this is just a quick one just to show you some more longer term plays that I'm bullish on. This is one of them. Not sure why it's not letting me connect, but let me hop over to the Binance smart chain right here. Boy, everything moving slow today. I thought it was just my brain. All right, here we go. Drip. You guys know drip. The difference with drip is it pays 1% daily. This has been out for almost a year now, I believe last April. So approaching a year, April or May. So it's approaching a year right now. So the longevity is definitely there. That's why I have high hopes for the splash and the splassive. I'll put my buddy address for the drip down below too, just in case you guys want to get started on that. I started with drip with like, I think like 17 tokens, compounding my way up to 27. And as the price fluctuates, you know, you get paid more. The good thing about these programs or these platforms is, regardless if the price goes up or down, you're still making money. Because when the price went to the all-time high of like 197 on drip, I believe my coins was worth like almost $4,000. So that means I was getting 1% of that, which is $40 a day. Right now it's at 1,200. I'm gonna compound some more. So right now I'm making $12 a day. Can't complain, still making money. Already made my money back. I already withdrew that money. So I'm in a clear right now. Another good one is my diamond team. It pays 1.5% daily. You can also do airdrops on here too. And a cool thing that they do is when you reinvest or compound, they give you a 5% bonus. So that's good as well. I'm bullish on this. Plus, I love Dragon Ball Z. Who doesn't love Dragon Ball Z? If you don't like Dragon Ball Z, just unsubscribe. Nah, just playing. Nah, just playing. Check out some Dragon Ball Z. I guarantee you'll be hooked. You know? And while you checking that out, go over to the channel. We on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to stay notified. Yes. Shout out to Babe Bean, still doing his thing. It hasn't even been a day yet, and I'm already at, how much is that? 173. I'm already at over $70. Ooh. So Babe Beans Miner is doing his thing. But as far as these longer term plays, as far as like 1% daily, 2% daily, 1.5% daily, these are the ones that I've been in. There's some other ones that's out now, like Cash Cow, Space. There's another one called Space Field Game, and they pretty much like drip clones. They all go by the same type of tokenomics. Compound your way up to a higher daily percentage and take some profits. I mean, good way to make some money. And I gotta tip my hats to these platforms like Drip, because they actually help me be in a position to actually fund these other projects that I'm looking at for you guys, and also for my family to get into as well. So if you guys interested in joining that splassive and joining my splassive team, join with my buddy address, and if you deposit like 10 splash at least, I'll give you a nice little airdrop. Same thing with my diamond team. If you guys come in with at least one BNB, I'll give you an airdrop, or send you some drip, or send you some BNB or something like that. I'm also in universe nodes. Hasn't been really doing too well. Right now I'm barely making any money off of this, but I know they're NFT based, so you could like transfer your NFTs, or you could compound them, then they evolve to like different planets as you compound more, and the other planets pay out a higher percentage. I was thinking about maybe putting some more money onto this, because I bought in pretty early and the price went down since. It's been pretty much stable-ish. Been around like $1, $2 for every 10,000 universe coins. So I don't know. I'll keep an eye on that, see if I want to jump into that. I heard they got a new Sun NFT that pays out a lot more than the other ones. So we'll see. But for now, Splash, I'm very bullish on this. It's early. It's been out for about like a week or so. You guys look at the chart. All-time high hit almost $40. I believe it was $39. Right now we're at 37. So they're doing pretty good. Drip is down, but that's a good buying opportunity for a lot of people that's thinking about getting into that. And as you guys know, my diamond team actually utilizes the BNB token, so it's a little bit more stable compared to, you know, the other altcoins, or the other coins that is volatile and it changes a lot more. But if you guys are interested in getting started, please use my buddy address and my referral links. It shows me that you guys, you know, showing me some support, and it's the least you could do. For me, staying up all night, no sleep. I don't sleep. I'll be up. Right now I'm up vaping. know what I mean? So yeah, just hit me up. I'm gonna make this one nice, short, and sweet. And please remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.
Not financial advice, people. Bless up. I'm out.